What we have here is a plastic bumper.
Take two.
What we have here is a plastic bumper. What had happened was my 17-year-old beautiful precious angel was driving to dance class one night, and it was dark, storms were all about, and a trash can magically flew in front of her car, and somehow she hit it. So we have this new tool that we're gonna try out. Why am I doing this?
This is the inside right now. It looks like some genius tried to use some tape to fix this, but that obviously did not work. So this is the tool I got, what it looks like. It is a hot stapler type thing. These are the instructions. Check them out. Pretty awesome. Hot stapler. That's all we got. So I'm gonna assume that I just take this tip here and slide it on here, and these little probes are gonna get hot, making the tip of this thing hot. And if you use it in this manner, you can kind of use it as a hot spatula, I guess, to melt things and smooth them down. Then without the tip, there are all these different shaped little staples that come with it. So I'm gonna use one of these wave ones to go back and forth over the cracks. So I'm gonna guess from the video I saw, you're just taking these little staples and pressing them into these holes. And you got kind of a little branding iron here. All right, so when you plug it in, there's a little red light on. There's this button on the side. When I press it, the red light goes off. I assume I'm supposed to be doing it with the button pressed in. So once you get the crack smooth how it's supposed to be, you're supposed to just be able to press this on here. And there you go, you can see it melting into the plastic. And then you can let go of the button. Leave it here for a second so it hardens. And then pull it out. So then you just clip these two little pieces off. So this is just like kind of getting staples during surgery. It melts through the plastic and...
Ow! Just kidding.
Babe!
Brianna. I can kind of feel it.
That's cool.
Uh-huh. And then you cut those off.
Actually, hey Ray.
Yeah.
Here, come do this. It's fun.
It's fun. It is actually fun.
What am I doing?
Come fix your bumper.
This is so satisfying. I'm looking at it like so up close because your phone is like right there.
Then just go through and cut off all the little metal pieces.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Thanks, Mom. I'm so good at cutting.
Snoopy.
So they're both doing it.
All right, so that's it. Let's see how our surgery looks.
Sweet. It's really cool.
Not too bad. So how's it look from the other side?
Just cracked. But it's not falling anymore. We'll fix that later.
Yep, you can definitely see the crack, but it is back in one piece. So theoretically, you could sand this down now, put a little filler in, and repaint it. It's repairable.
What to do?
All right, so here is our after. If you don't look close, it looks really good. It's all solid, one piece now. It's not gonna fall off. So it's still missing the fog light from where she hit it, and we'll have to get one of those eventually. But this is ready to be prepped. So this tool that I just bought on a whim turned out to be really useful and helpful. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description below, so check it out yourselves. Feel free to subscribe to the channel if you're interested in more tool advice like this, and I will keep the tool of the week rolling. And don't forget, in a couple of weeks, I'm gonna have a Porsche Boxster Buyer's Guide series coming out, so stay tuned.